Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shimmery and Glittery. Presenting before you a glamorous crystal tray which can also serve as a vanity tray or a centerpiece decoration, and also a good option for bridal vanity display. And not to forget, an impressive giveaway for special occasions. To begin with, we need to paste bead lace all around the mirror using white glue. Once this is done, now I'll be using a round piece of cardboard cut according to the dimensions of the mirror. First we need to apply glue smoothly all over the surface of the mirror. Once this is done, mark the center and draw the circumference of the bowl, which we are going to use as the stand for our tray. Now we are going to paste a glass crystal all along the circumference of the bowl using glue gun. In our final use, we'll be keeping this bowl inverted like this. So we are pasting the stones all along the circumference. Now this bowl of ours is ready. Cut a piece of cardboard with reference to the size of the base of the bowl. We'll be using this cardboard in between the two bowls when we paste them together. We'll be pasting these two using glue with a cardboard piece in between them so that they hold on together well. Now keep it aside to dry. Now time to work on the mirror. I'll be pasting the stone using glue gun all around the edges. Friends, before you begin pasting, just decide on the spacing in between so that you get the symmetry till the end. Clear off the strands of the glue as and when they appear, because if it gets stuck in between the stones, it will be a little difficult to clean. Now apply a little glue to the circle we have drawn. We'll be pasting the stand which we had prepared by pasting the two bowls together. Our basic structure is ready. The tray with a beautiful stand below. This beautiful crystal tray is going to serve as a stand for our perfumes and deo. How is this idea? Now we'll be fixing these three bowls on top of it, in which we can store sweets, dry fruit, or any other thing that you want to give. Friends, do subscribe to my channel Shimmery and Glittery for innovative ideas. Our beautiful and elegant giveaway tray is ready. It's also going to serve as a Glam Decor centerpiece. Wonderful, isn't it? See how it can be used in a number of different ways. This elegant crystal tray is also going to serve as a display for your vanity. It's multi-purpose, isn't it? There you go! One mirror crystal tray and so many uses. What do you think about this concept? Do let me know in the comment box. If you like the video, remember to give a thumbs up and hit the bell for notifications. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest and Twitter by the name Shimmery and Glittery. As always, gifting made beautiful with Shimmery and Glittery. Thank you.